Grade 7 learners, good morning! I hope you are all excited and feeling good as we unlock today's goals. I am Teacher Clarice and I will help you do that. Let's get started.
Before we start our lesson, I would like to remind you of the following. First, be prepared. Check your gadgets. Make sure they are fully charged. Use your headphone if you have them. You will be able to focus more if you will use one. Second, check your surroundings. Make sure there's no unnecessary noise where you are, so you can concentrate and focus and learn much more. Third, dress appropriately. Did you know that according to a study by Hives.com, wearing nice outfit does increase productivity? Nice appropriate clothes can make you feel energized and confident. Let us begin today's activities with a game. This game is called Name It to Win It. These are rebus puzzles. I will be showing you images and some letters on it, and you have to guess each English words or phrase that it describes. I'll give you 5 seconds to answer the puzzle. First item. The answer is lighthouse. Correct. Next. If your answer is armchair, you are correct. Third. That's right. The correct answer is hot dog. Fourth. And the correct answer is hero. Good job. So from the image heart, in heart, you remove the letters AT and you add O. Combining them together, you have hero. Last. Good job. The correct answer is earth. So the images are pear and bath. So from the word pear, remove letter P. What will remain is ear. And from the word bath, remove letters B and A. What will remain is TH. Combining them, we have the word earth.
Great job! Such an enjoyable game, isn't it? But this time, we will change the pictures with mathematical symbols.
The goal that we need to unlock today is to translate English phrase to mathematical phrase and vice versa.
Are you all ready and excited for the next activity?
Our goal for today is to learn to translate English phrases to mathematical phrases and vice versa. That means there will be English phrases or words that you have to change into mathematical symbols, and some mathematical symbols you have to change to English phrases. Are you ready? Let's start! This activity is named Who Am I? We're trying to get to know some of the mathematical symbols. Here's what you will do. Choose the words or expressions inside the boxes and write it in its respective symbol. I will be showing you the words. So on the boxes written are English words and below are the symbols. What you have to do is to make a table like this one. You have to draw a table where you will write the words and the expression related to the symbols written on the left side of the table, just like this one below. Or if you don't want to make a table, You can just write all the symbols and beside it all the descriptions or the English words that describes it. Are you ready? Timer starts now. It's time to check your work. What are the words that describe the plus sign? You have here plus, more than, increase, add, and sum. If you got this all correct, great job! Next symbol, the subtraction symbol. The words that describes it are subtract, difference, diminish, decrease, and minus. Third symbol is the multiplication sign. This word describes this sign, product, times, and multiply. Fourth is the division sign. The words that describe it are quotient, ratio, and divide. Fifth is an inequality symbol. This is read as is less than. Lastly, another inequality symbol, and this is called is greater than. Did you get it all correctly? Congratulations, you have done a great job.
Our next activity is entitled Guess My Number. This activity is an application of what we have just learned. To be able to do this activity, you must remember all the words that describes the mathematical symbols. What you have to do is to ready a pen and a paper because we will do some computations. And yes, I will guess the number that you're thinking of even when we are miles apart. Are you ready? Step 1. Think of any number. When you think of one, write it on your piece of paper. Next, multiply the number by 2. Then, increase the product by 20. Next, divide the sum by 2. Lastly, subtract the result by the number you think before. Did you got all the instructions right? What is your answer? Let me guess. If you've got all the instructions right, your answer should be 10. And that works with any number. The title of this activity is really Magic 10 because all of you will get 10 if you followed the directions right. I hope you got all this activity correctly. And then we will try to write the following statements into mathematical symbols for our next activity. Let's have this one.
Using the same activity, we will try to write the following statements into mathematical symbols. First is think of any number. Since it is any number, we will write a variable for it. Let's try using letter X. Multiply the number by 2. In symbols, we can write this as 2x. Writing them together means you are multiplying them, but when doing it with numbers, you have to use parentheses for the two numbers or a dot. We're no longer using the X mark as a multiplication sign. Increase the product by 20. Increase means addition. Divide the sum by 2, so we use the bar sign, which is a symbol for division. And the denominator is 2. The numerator is the sum of the product of 2 and x and 20. Subtract the result by the number you think before. So we have 2x plus 20 divided by 2 minus x. So this is how we represent words with mathematical symbols. Our next activity is entitled Tell Me Exactly. What you will do is to match the verbal phrases written in column A to its corresponding mathematical phrase in column B. I will give you 10 seconds to do it. Your timer starts now. Now, let's check your work. Number 1. 4 added to a number. The correct answer is letter E, x plus 4. 2. The ratio of 4 and a number. The correct answer is A, 4 divided by x. 3. 3 more than a number. The correct answer is C, x plus 3. Number 4. A number subtracted from 4. The correct answer is B, 4 minus x. Number 5. The sum of 3 and a number. The correct answer is letter D, 3 plus x. Did you get it all correctly? If not, don't worry, we're just starting. Here are some things that you must remember. First, always reverse the order for any statements that have more than or added to. Example, a number more than 3 would translate 3 plus x. 12 added to a number would translate x plus 12. Next, always reverse the order for any statements that have less than or subtracted from. Example, a number less than 5 would translate 5 minus n. 10 subtracted from a number would translate x minus 10. Lastly, greater is used for addition, while is greater than is used for the inequality symbol is greater than. Less than is used for subtraction, while is less than is used for the inequality symbol is less than. I think I can hear you from your saying, okay, so that was it. So now, let's proceed to our next activity so you can apply what you have learned. Let's call this activity as Express It to Me Gently. Here's what you will do. Translate the following English phrases to mathematical phrases. I will give you 1 minute to answer this activity. Your timer starts now. I know you're all excited to see if you got this right. So, let's check. Number 1. The sum of a number x and 2. The word sum refers to addition. So the correct answer is x plus 2. Did you get it right? Congratulations. Next, 10 multiplied to a number x. Multiplied means multiplication symbol. The correct answer is 10x. You just have to write 10 beside x. You will no longer write the multiplication sign x. Writing a number and a variable together means multiplication. Next, 8 diminished by a number x. Diminished means subtraction. Good job. Fourth, 2 times a number x plus 10. So we will write 2 beside x and then the addition sign and 10. So the correct answer is 2x plus 10. Fifth, the quotient of a number x and 11. So you can write x divided by 11 or x all over 11. That fraction symbol that we know is another way to write division sign. Next, the sum of thrice a number and 20. Sum refers to addition. Thrice a number, that means we will multiply 3 and a number x. And then of course, we add it to 20. The correct answer is 3x plus 20. Who got 6? Good job, everyone. You're doing great. Are you ready for more? How much have you learned from our previous activities until this time? This activity is divided into 2 parts. The first one is translating from English phrase to mathematical phrase, and the second one is from mathematical phrase to English phrase. Each part, you will be given 15 seconds to answer. Are you ready? Let's have part 1. Translate the following to mathematical phrases. Time's up. Before we proceed to the next part, let's first check if your answers are correct. Number 1, the correct answer is 2x. Number 2, the correct answer is 10 minus 2x. And number 3, the correct answer is 2 divided by x. Are you ready for the second part? Let's proceed. Translate the following to verbal phrase. I'll give you 15 seconds to do it. Your timer starts now. Time's up. It's now time to check your work. And this activity is correct. So now let's have the top 4 or top 5 of the usual favorite answers for the following mathematical phrases. Number 1, a number x plus 10, the sum of a number x and 10, a number x increased by 10, 10 more than a number x, and 10 added to a number x. Number 2, a number x subtracted from 3, a number x less than 3, three decreased by a number x, three diminished by a number x. The difference of 3 and a number x. Do you get it right? Congratulations! And for the last one, two times a number x divided by 3, a number multiplied by 2 divided by 3, the quotient of twice a number x and 3, the ratio of twice a number x and 3. Good job! Now, if your answer is different from the given, send me a picture of your work for checking. Our next activity is called Who Picked More Mango? So to answer this question, here's the situation. One day, Lisa and Jenny picked mangoes for 4 hours. Lisa picked 6 baskets, less than Jenny. Now, here's what you will do. Write a mathematical phrase representing the given. Number 1. If Jenny picked X baskets, how many did Lisa pick? And number 2. If Lisa picked N baskets, how many did Jenny pick? I will give you 30 seconds to answer this problem. And your timer starts now. Number 1. The correct answer is Lisa picked X minus 6 baskets. And number 2, the answer is Jenny picked N plus 6 baskets. Congratulations! This part, I want you to get a 1 whole sheet of paper. Explain what you have learned today by answering the following questions. I want to see your understanding about our lesson in your own words. Number 1. How do you translate verbal phrases into mathematical phrases? And number 2. How do you translate mathematical phrases into verbal phrases? And now, the end goal, testing time. You have 1 minute to finish the 5-item test. Good luck!
You really made an impressive effort and unlocked today's quiz. Remember that math is always fun, 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 fun. See you next time. Bye-bye.